Oh, somebody's watching. Get us some sauce, onions, some shrooms, and some ribs marinating. See you out there.
Good.
Got some marinated pork ribs. Oh, this one's a 2-piece. I'm going to sear all 4 sides of these. Put them over here on convection and close the lid. Turn these off. Just want to seal the juices in. Big dog in the dirt. Alrighty, got us a nice sear on these ribs. Don't move them around too much. Let's break these two free of their matrimonial bonds. That's a proper grill. Close it up. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna. Yeah. I think that one's gonna be a taster, Winston. There's that piece of tasty rib. Good boy. Ooh, low and slow is working. Oh, look at these beautiful ribs. Oh my God, Winston. They look good, don't they, boy? It's like, yeah, Daddy, I had to smell them for the last 2 hours. We're just gonna chop this one up for tonight. Just put a little sauce on the bottom. Get the big knife.
It's so perfectly cooked. It's falling apart, guys.
There's baby burn in. There's a burn in for you. Good boy. Put that up in there. Take some onions, mushrooms. That's how it is when you cook it in your backyard. How can you go wrong?